Today in the YT University, we are going to create a functional link. Alright, so as you can see, I have here a blank HTML document, and here is our channel. Please click the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell to get updated whenever I post or we post new videos like this. So let's go back and let's create a blank document. So we need the headers before we go live. So I think we should declare that this is indeed a HTML document, and then I'm going to name this document as links. Okay, working. All right, working links. All right, so links are usually used in making the navigation bar. All right, so there we go. I'm going to put the notes here. So links are used to create the navigation bar. Okay, so what are these navigation bar? Alright, so if you're going here in YouTube, so you can see home, video, shorts, live, playlist. So this is what you call the navigation bar. And when you click on them, you will be redirected to the set page. Alright, so when you are redirected, the computer is actually making use of links. So it's just how um, the programmer style it so that they align like this. Okay, but the basic foundation of a navigation bar are working links, and that's the subject of this video. All right, so we save this for a while, and then let's say we usually have types of links. We have the ordered. So when we say ordered, there are numbers. Okay, so let's try creating an ordered list right here. So um, OL and then LI. All right. Let's say for example A tag. All right. So there we go. The A tag or the anchor tag is for the link. All right. Inside href, um, there is where the link goes. All right. So put the link inside. So for now, let's say hashtag. All right. And then inside the A tag, all right, inside this, you can put, let's say, for example, um, home, all right, home, okay. So, and then school, all right. Let's say for example, we have this as, and then copy it again. You just have to copy it, and let's say for example, business, okay. I don't know. um, business, buss double s and then business, and then yeah, business. All right, so and then let's see how it looks like. So I'm gonna run go live, choose workplace. I need this one, so let's try to go live. Yeah, programmers weakness are spelling. All right, so for um for the ordered list, you can see that there are numbers. They are numbered. So, and then there are hyperlinks. Okay. Now, if you put the right destination here, the right link, um, they will redirect to the page whenever you click them. All right. Let's say, for example, um, I click one here and then copy it and then say for example um, the name of our channel, yeah, always visit YT University. Alright, so I'm gonna put the name of the channel here. Yes, there we go. So you go back here, you copy the um, channel URL and then you place it there. You copy this and then paste it here. Alright, so you save it, and then you see that there are four links right now, and then when you click on it, it will redirect to the said page. Alright, and then it will play something. It's the atomic theory that we have created. So you can go ahead and
Welcome
check
to the
that video.
university. In this video, we will discuss the theories about the atom.
So we go back.
Bef-
We go back and then yeah, that's just for example. Now we try to create the unordered list. Alright, so the unordered list is always used, okay, or preferred compared to the ordered ones. So how do we create the unordered list? Okay, so first I'm going to comment on this, place it inside this tag so that the browser will not read it, and then as you can see, it's gone. Alright, so for the unordered list we use ul, and then inside ul or li tag. Alright, and then again same pattern, we have to use the anchor tag a so that we can reference the link. Alright, so inside this one, let's say for example home. Alright, to make sure that your clients will go home or will be directed to the main page. Okay, and then you can also uh, say social media. If you think the social media, if you have many social media accounts, then you can put it in the same hierarchy level as home, and then let's say topic. Okay, let's put topic here. Okay, and then let's say for example you still want to add yeah um, opportunities. Okay, opportunities. Yeah, I do not know if I spelled it right, but let's say for example we say that, and then yeah, so we have four um, options here, or four links that are working. So let's enlarge that one, so you can see that there is an underline and there are bullets right beside them. All right, so what you can do now is to connect this to a style sheet. All right, so you do it in this portion of the document. All right, so let's say for example link, you use that code and then click enter, and that's the beauty if you have uh, Visual Studio Code, or other text editors has the same capability, but I prefer the Visual Studio Code. Alright, so we're going to create this style.css, so control N for a new document and then control save, and then it will be automatically saved in your coding 9 document. Alright, so let's say for example style. Alright, that CSS. So make sure that the file name is the same, styles.css and then style.css. Alright, so they are automatically linked, and let's say for example you want to change the background color, so you say asterisk, uh, click that one, and then brackets. Okay, curly brackets, and then you declare the background color. Okay, let's say for example no, that's background color. I just need the background color, so create this one, and then let's say for example this one, then hit save, then the background color change. So how do you target the this one? So it's in the body, it's in the UL tag, and then it's in the LI, and then A. Alright, so ULLI, let's say for example list style none. Okay, so because this is the list, and I want I do not want these bullets to be seen right here. So what you can say is UL, alright, because this is the name of the tag, space LI, that's the list that you want to specify. Now if there is a class name, you can go ahead and just call the class name here, and then let's say list style, um, oh, none. Alright, save. So um, they're gone, and then uh, text decoration will be none. Okay, so we copy, we go inside the tag, and then a tag for the anchor tag. So the anchor tag contains the link. So let's say for example, text decoration, this one, none, and save. So the um, you can see that the underline has gone, and we can say that color of the text is white. Alright, so then there you go, it turned white, or you can actually make it black for formality, and then go ahead and save. Okay, so that's how we do it, and you will see that uh, it's still connectable to any link. Okay, so we just do not put any links right here. All right, so let's say for example we want to add another set of choices inside our or under the heading social media. All right, so inside this tag, the li tag, you can go ahead and create another unordered list. So this will be your second level, and then same as true, you go ahead and click li, and then use again another anchor tag. Okay, and then let's say for example we have an fb page, so we're right here, fb page. All right, so that's it, and then you copy this, and control C, control V. That's just how I do it, and then say YouTube, because I have YouTube. Yes, I know. Yeah, there you go. And then if you have Instagram or Twitter, all right, Twitter. Uh-huh. How do we tweet? How do you spell Twitter? It's like this? It's like this, or ah, all right, the tweet thing. Yeah, or double T. I don't know what's. And then we have Instagram. I don't know. Instagram, because I'm not using that. All right, and then if you have um well, GitHub, if you have SlideShare, any social media account, then if you have Telegram, you put it you put everything here so that they can find you. Okay, all right, or they can visit the page. Okay, so if you have Patreon, please guys subscribe or be one of our patrons. So Patreon. Okay. Oh yeah. So let's go ahead and save this. And as you can see, they fall underneath the uh, social media. Okay. So when we were able to make this a drop down menu, this one will look good. Okay. So topics. Okay, you go ahead, let's add some topics. All right, so in our case, or in my case, I'm gonna be doing blogs or pages that have something to do with schooling. Okay, So I need science topics. All right, so I'm gonna write science, then copy that, paste it underneath, then uh, mathematics. All right, and then copy that underneath, and then you can say English. All right, why not? Not good in spelling though. English, and then I'm gonna say social science. All right. Yup, you can actually add Filipino. All right. Then what else? Let's say TLE. All right, all the subjects in school here in the Philippines. I don't know what subjects you have in your country, but in the Philippines we have these subjects. All right, or computer, just like what I'm doing now. It's a blog for computer, so why not? So but anyways, that's under TLE. So I'm gonna put hashtags there, and you will see that we are having a lot of choices, and they are being arranged. So if I click save, there we go. So those are the topics. Okay. So let's. This is just the first part of our blog. Okay. So the next one is how we can arrange them. So I'm not going to pressure my students. So it's the one that they are gonna do next time. Links. Okay. Functional links. All right. So now if if you have the page inside your text edit or inside the folder here, let's say for example we're going to create the science page, okay, and we want to connect it here. Okay, so you click Control N, okay, and then Control Save, and then let's say for example science dot html. All right, so click that one, then you have a blank document there, and then science.html. What you have to do is to copy the relative path. Okay, again, copy the relative path, then place it in place of the hashtag. All right, and then click save. So you go ahead here. So basically you have to paste the same code but with a different title, so that your visitor knows that it's the science page. All right, so why not, let's just copy it, because this page needs to have um, the same navigation capability. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and paste it here, Control C, then Control V, and then paste that, and then save that, and then as you can see, we have a new page, and then inside this one, inside the body, you can go ahead and create something like that contents. So when you say that contents, it will create a div box, okay, that will contain all your information about contents. Let's say for example, P, you write a paragraph here. Science is a branch of knowledge, and so on and so forth. Science is science is fun. What? How do you spell science? Is fun. All right, so something like that, and so on and so forth. And then new tag here. So br tag. Uh-huh. Wow. Yeah, there we go. And then save that. And then the science link is working. Okay, so when I click the science link, it should direct to this page, and we should see science is fun in the next page. So to check if that is working, you click science here, and then science is fun. So if you click home, Okay, we click home. So we copy the relative path, and then we put it inside the home tag, or yeah, this one, coding.html. We put it there, and then it should also uh, be here. Okay, so we save that, and then let's try. So if we click home, okay, we do not see the other one. So that's how we create a functional link, okay, and a hyperlink that is working. So for example, you're creating a document or a page, let's say for example in here, and has many branches, like say for example, is fun, and physics is my favorite subject. Okay, so let's say for example physics. um, you write a tag again, and then this one, let's say for example bold. All right, so let's say for example bold. Okay, so this one is so it should be like it should be like that. Okay, so let's say physics is my favorite branch. What? Of science. All right, there we go. And then br tag. Yep, there we go. Then save that. Then we go to science, and then physics is one of my favorite subject. All right, so because all of this are inside the link tag or the anchor tag. So what you can do now is uh, delete that, and then let's go out the anchor tag. Okay, we remove this break tag, and then we go outside the anchor tag, then paste it, and then there is where we're going to put the br tag. All right, so it's just a matter of sequence on how um, you design this text. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, so physics has only has the hyperlink. Okay, and then let's go ahead and connect anything. Okay, connect this one. Okay, so let's connect this one. Uh-huh. So this one is my document eh. This one na lang. Um, this one. Okay, copy URL na lang. Yeah, you have to put the URL. So it's the URL that matters the most for your link to be functional. Even if the link, even if you code it, but the link is broken still, the link will not work. All right. So there are some cases wherein the page cannot be found, and then it will say 404 error, cannot be found. All right. So let's go ahead and check that one. Okay, so when you click the link, you're gonna go to my projectile motion. Oh wow! Nice. Alright, there's too many ads, but we do not want that. Alright, so let's go back. So it's up to you if you want to remove the underline, alright, here. So you just have to specify it in the style sheet that all A tag must not have any style decoration. Okay, so that's how we work with um, links. Okay, and next time we're going to design this links to a navigation bar. Okay, so that's a separate lesson, and I hope you learned something from the White University today. Bye, guys.